What's up, guys? Alright, so I'm coming at you with a quick video with the camera that I just got my hands on, and that's the A7 III. I'm not gonna do a review on it right now or anything like that. What I want to do, because I just picked up the 85 1.8 lens, and you know, my girl was just stretching around and doing some exercises, and I really want to capture some B-roll of this to kind of just see what it looks like, especially with this lens, and that's exactly what I did. So I just kind of put together a quick video to kind of show you just the quality that comes out of this camera with this lens in slow motion. That's 1080 at 120 frames per second. I'm going to do some videos later on showing the 4K quality coming from the 6K sensor. But that's coming down the line from another video. And just a heads up, I will be traveling for work, so if you don't see a video you know, the next week, that's the reason why, but I'll do my best to make one within that time frame. But besides that, my friends, enjoy this quick video, and again, I will see you in the next one.